Korea's credit crackdown just jumped from the banks to the insurers. Kookmin Bank cut its mortgage limit in regulated zones from 6 billion won to 3 billion. That's roughly 4.4 to 2.2 million US dollars. Kyobo, Dongyang, Samsung Fire and Hanwha are all pulling back unsecured lending at the same time. And the regulator is about to raise mortgage risk weights from late September. Here's why the whole second-tier finance sector is tightening at once. It's Thursday, July 9th. Let's break down what's happening in Korea's financial sector. Household lending accelerated again this spring after 2 years of contraction. Insurers became the workaround as banks tightened, with policy loan balances climbing. The Financial Services Commission summoned major insurers last month to review their lending plans. Here's what the numbers show. Kookmin Bank's new 3 billion won cap, about $2.2 million, takes effect July 10th across the capital region and regulated zones. Insurer household loans rose about 1 trillion won, roughly $740 million, in the first 5 months, reversing last year's decline. Policy loans against insurance reached 55.9 trillion won, near $41 billion by end May. The regulator's plan raises the risk weight on 60 to 80% LTV mortgages from 3.5% to 4.0% from late September. Kyobo cut its credit loan cap toward 50 million won, about $37,000, while Samsung Fire and Hanwha halted new mortgage lending. Savings banks hold about 47.6 billion won, near $35 million, in Homeplus REIT and subordinated exposure now flagged for possible loss. So what does this mean for bank analysts and compliance teams? Earlier, we said the crackdown jumped from banks to insurers. Here's what that actually means for you. The higher risk weight will pressure insurer capital ratios and push soundness monitoring up the priority list this quarter. Map every exposure to policy loans and property-linked assets before the September rule takes effect. That's today's AI Prism, Finance Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.